Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crypto Basics. In this video, I'm going to show you how to buy Solana on Solflare. To buy Solana on Solflare, first of all, open up the Solflare app on your mobile device or your browser extension. Once you're inside the home page, go ahead and tap on the Buy button on the top of the screen. Click the Continue button and then under Use Spend, go ahead and select your fiat currency from the right drop-down. Choose your currency and then enter the amount that you are willing to spend. Simply specify the amount by typing it down under Use Spend and you will be able to see the amount of Solana you will be getting with the specified price. Just make sure that you've selected Sol or Solana in the right drop-down. After you are done, go under Pay Using and then click the drop down to select a payment method. You can choose credit card, Apple Pay, debit card, Google Pay and Pay ID for a payment method. Select any one payment method. Since Apple Pay is recommended to me most right now, I'm gonna choose Apple Pay. Choose any one option and then click on the Buy Sol button at the bottom of the screen and follow the prompts to confirm and complete your purchase. Once the transaction is completed, your Solana will be added to your Solflare wallet. So that is how you can easily buy Solana on Solflare. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.